Hello everybody, Lon from the attic here, and I'm here with a quick unboxing. We have a shoe that came in, and I'm just gonna go ahead, start and open it up. This package came directly from Adidas, as you can see on the box, and yeah, this is pretty simple to open. Let me go. Got three sides over here. Alright, and yeah, these should be good to go. And yeah, so here we have the shoe box. It is a the NMD HU by Pharrell. Yeah, so yeah, the front label, if you want to see the style code. Yeah, it's a little blurry. Go ahead there, you can check it out. Size 11. And yeah, let me just go ahead and take it out of the box. And yeah, let me go ahead, get the shoe out as well. It comes with the classic Adidas paper on the inside, and yeah, let me put it on top. And what it says on the shoe is Ubuntu. Really nice and clean. First impressions. Comes with the extra laces. The laces currently on a little bit lighter compared to the upper, and if you want to swap, get it darker, you can use these. Yeah, the cage that's on the shoe is a lighter orange, compared to majority of the upper you see, and the boost all as well is orange. Very clean bottoms, and yeah, got the branding Pharrell Williams on the back. And yeah, overall very clean shoe. Perfect for the summer, like an orange shoe, very clean. Let me look on the inside a bit. Yeah, you could see the inside label. And yeah, there's not much to say. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing, check out the shoe in hand, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So let me go ahead. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end this video. Definitely like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.